Hi, Advanced Physical Fitness classes. This is Coach Bedwell, and I've got Coach Imhoff over here as well. We're going to show you how to upload your fitness journals for your Canvas requirements for this class. So you're going to come to your fitness journal and notice that I have my name in the corner. You're going to put your name there. And when you screenshot this, you need to make sure that your name is shown as well as the first 2 days of your assignment. So notice on our fitness journal, this is what we did on campus. So on campus, this was our workout. And I've recorded everything that we did on campus right here. The off-campus day is the assignment that Coach Imhoff and I will give you when you are not on campus. Okay, so we did abs, core exercises here. Wednesday would be a rest day, a makeup day, a cardio day, your choice. Coach Imhoff and I were talking that if we were high school athletes at this time, we would be doing cardio to keep ourselves in more cardiovascular shape, getting ready for our sport. Thursday, Friday, you're going to have your on-campus and your off-campus assignments that you did. Off campus on Friday, we did a circuit, and it was a hip mobility circuit. You would have exactly what you did, your 20 minutes. It was with body weights. It's whatever we assign you to do. So I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to screenshot my assignment. So I'm going to Command-Shift-4. If I just Command-Shift-4, I want to make sure that I have my name in on that. All right, and then I'm going to also copy my Thursday, Friday. Maybe I Command-Shift-3 on this one. So I've saved both of those. Now I'm going to go to Canvas. I'm going to submit my entry. I'm going to choose my file. And then if I go right here to recent shows me the next 2 screenshots here. So that's what I did. You can see a picture of it. So I'm going to open that one. Okay, and then I'm going to add another file. And I'm going to choose that file. And I'm going to make sure I choose the one below that so that I have both screenshots. And then if there's a comment that I need to make, I can type Coach Imhoff or myself a comment, and then I submit. And that's all you have to do on how to submit your fitness journal. Make sure you do that every week. That'll be the assignment.